Hi guys, welcome to G Tech World, where we make videos on WordPress, website design, and various online technicalities. Welcome. And in this video, we'll actually be looking at how to create WordPress pages and menus. We'll actually be creating WordPress pages and menus in this video. So stay tuned guys as we create our pages and menu. Talking about pages and menu, this one of a website I actually built for a client on Fiverr. So when you look at this upper area, we call it the header. So inside the header we have what we call the menus, and the menus are actually the links to each page that you have in your website. So currently now we are at the home page. So if I should click on the project here, the project menu here, it's going to take us to our project page. So as you can see, we are already on our project page. If I should click on the About Us menu, it's going to take us to the About Us page. If I click on the commercial menu, it's going to take us to the commercial page. So what I'm trying to explain to you now is I'm trying to let you understand and give you the idea of what you're actually going to be creating in this video. So in this video, we'll be creating something similar to what I have just shown you now. So very quickly, let's just start creating our pages and menu. And so very quickly, before we start, actually, if you remember our previous video on installing WordPress on free hosting, you actually remember that I actually taught you how to install WordPress. And in the video, we already have our WordPress installed on this particular URL here, so gcoin.unux.com. So that's what I'm going to be using in this video. So if I should go to gcoin.unux.com, it's going to take me to the website we actually created in the previous video. So in case you actually haven't watched the previous video, I'll actually put the link in the description below, so you can actually go and watch it first, so you can create your own free hosting as well and follow along with me in this creation of menu and pages. So what I want to do now is I want to log into this my website. As you can see, it's still very new, there's nothing on it yet, but we'll actually be working on it very soon. So what I want to do now is I want to log in. So I'll just type in wp-admin, so then I'll click on enter. So right now this is my login page. So what I want to do is type in my username and then my password. So right now I have successfully logged in. So, and if in case maybe you actually can't remember the name you use to actually create for your free WordPress website, so you can simply go back to the free hosting, just type profreehost.com, then you click on login, then come here and type in the email address you actually use, which is this is what I used. So then you can put in your password. So by doing this, you'll be able to log in to your free hosting account, and when you come down, you'll be able to see the name of the website that you actually created. So then you can copy it and go and log in. So right now I have logged in. So what I want to do is I want to create number 1 pages and number 2 menus. And as you already know, the 4 basic most important pages that every website should always have is the home, about, contact, and services page. So those are the pages we'll be creating right now. So to create a page, what you need to do is to come here to where it says pages right here, then go to if you should click on all pages, you'll be able to see all the pages that you have. And as you can see, we already have 2 pages here. These 2 pages were not created by me, they were created by default by WordPress. So each time you install a new WordPress, you always find these 2 pages. So what I normally do is I mark the 2 of them, then I'll go to bulk actions here, and I'll click the drop down, and I'll click on move to trash, then click on apply. So that will actually delete them for me. So what I want to do is I want to create my own new pages. So it's either I come here and click on add new, or I go up here and click on add new. Either of the two will do. So then after that, we'll be taken to a page where we'll create our name our page. So it has loaded. So right now all I'm going to do is I'm just going to click on this close button. Then I'm going to give my page a name. So it's my first page, so I'm going to name it home page. So then I'm going to click on publish. And by doing that, we have actually created our own page, and this pop-up actually pops up here, so meaning that you can view your page from here or from here. So I'll just right click on this and open it in a new tab to be able to check my page. So this is my own page right here. So what I want to do right now is I want to go on ahead and click and create the 3 other pages. So what I'll do, I'll close this home tab, then I'll click these 3 dots, then I'll come here to full screen mode so I can have my features back here. So I'll click on add new again. Then you see the home page has disappeared. So right now we are creating a new one. So I will name it about. So then I'll click on publish. So then I'll click on add new again. I'll create the contact page. I'll click on publish twice. Then I'll click on add new to create a last page, which is the services page. So I'll click on publish twice. So right now I have actually created all my pages. So if I should come to all pages here, then you will discover that we already have our 4 pages, as you can see right here. So but if I want to actually visit my website, so this is where I'm actually going to come here where it says my blog here. This is the name of our website. So then you see this actually comes here which says visit site. It shows up. So we are going to click on this visit site. So what I will do, I will open it in a new tab so as to view my website. So this is how my website actually looks like. And as you can see, we already have our menu created for us automatically. But right now I would want my own page here to be the first, while the about should be the second, the services should be the third, and the contact should be the fourth on this place. So how do we do that? So that's when we now work on our menu. So right here, if I should come here to actually go to your menu, all you have to do is come to appearance. And as you can see, when we come to appearance, we only have themes and editor. And the reason is because we are using the default theme that actually came with WordPress. So that's why we can't find menu here. Menu is supposed to be listed here. So what we need to do is we need to go on ahead and install a theme that we'll actually be using. So and mainly I normally use OceanWP, Astra, and Hello Elementor. So right now what I will be doing is I will go on ahead to appearance, then I'll go to themes, then I will install Hello Elementor. So I'll just click on add new here. So what I want to do is, what you can do is you can go on ahead and search for Hello Elementor. So once I type on hello, it should, so it has brought some themes here for me. So but what I actually want is Hello Elementor. So it's going to bring it for me now. So this is it here. I think my network is somehow slow, and that's why the images are not loading. So but that's not a problem. So what I will do is I'll click on install. Now it's installing. Then I'll click on activate. So right now I have successfully activated my Hello Elementor theme. So if I should actually go here, and as you can see, it has automatically added menus for me right here under appearance. And maybe if you can't see, you can just reload it again. You can click on your dashboard, then go back to your appearance. As you can see, we already have menus. So what I want to do now is I want to customize our menu. So I'll click on menus. So currently now we actually do not have any menu. So if you should go back to your website now, because we have actually changed the theme, if you go back to your website and reload this place, you will discover that the appearance has changed. As you can see, the appearance has changed and the menus have actually disappeared. And the reason is because originally we do not have a menu yet. Do you understand? So the theme that we were using before just created a dummy menu that cannot be customized. That's not the real menu. So right now we want to create our own real menu that each time we change our theme we always find it there. So this is where we come to. So now the first thing we want to do is we want to give our menu a name, and the primary name that we normally give our menu is the main menu. So I will just type main menu here. You can give your menu any name that you want, but I normally use main menu. So now it says this place is menu settings, meaning where do you want your menu to actually display, which is what it says here, display location. So what I want it to display at the header of my website. So I will leave this place blank. I will leave this place blank as well. Now I'm going to click on create menu. So right now I have created my main menu. So what is left now is to actually customize my main menu. What are the pages that I actually want to appear on my main menu? So right now on my left side you see where we have pages. So these are all the pages that we have. This most recent page. You can also click on this place to actually view all of your pages, but I'll click on most recent so to see my pages. So now if I should add this and click on add menu, you can see these two has been added. If I should click on save and I should go back to my website here, you discover that those two menus will appear. As you can see right now, they are already appearing. So meaning we can now customize our menu. So I have added home and about, so I don't need to add them again. So what remains is contact and services. So then I'm going to add menu. So they have been added. If I should click on save right now and you should go back here, you will discover that those ones too has actually been added. And like I told you before, I want the home to be the first, the about should be the second, services the third, and contact the last. So to do that, what we need to do is come here again. Then I would drag this home right here on top, the about the second, services third, contact fourth. So you can drag them right here, so you can even put them under each other. So I'm just showing you. So I will just return it to how I actually want them to be. So then after that, I'm going to click on save menu. So let me check how our menu looks like now. As you can see, these are our menus. We already have our home, about, services, and contact. And when I click on about, it's going to take us to the about page. As you can see, the URL has changed to /about, and this place also. If I click on services, we're already at services page. As you can see, if I click on contact, we're already at contact. And don't worry, the reason why we're actually having everything blank is because we have not started building our website, and which we'll actually be doing very, very soon. I'll be dropping videos on how to actually build a complete website in my next video. And so if you have gained something new today, or you have actually learned a new idea in this video, please don't hesitate to actually like this video, subscribe to this channel, click on the notification bell button to be notified each time I drop videos like this on YouTube regarding WordPress and website design. And once you have actually done that, kindly comment done so that I can actually acknowledge you. Just type done in the comment section and I'll actually acknowledge you. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye for now.
Crane Tech World.